hello. Welcome to this video. Basically, I'm just going to show you how I break down the markets. Yes, how I break down the markets. So here I have a GPUSD with me. I have GPUSD chart with me. So basically, what I have is on GPUSD is that I have the market going up. It's an uptrend, as you all can see, because it's forming higher highs and higher highs, and it hasn't formed a lower low except for this, but I wouldn't count it much because I want to see a serious aggressive move to the downside. As we create our change of character. It might actually go down, yeah, but I want to see a serious aggressive move to the downside of on GPUSD. Okay, so that's what I want to see. Then where is it? Is it peak high? Is it yesterday's high, previous daily high? This is yesterday's high, and that's where it's at. It's playing around those areas, that previous daily high. Let me just put this straight. Yes. So it's at an interesting area, and this is also an interesting area as well, as it is before here. It's a fair value gap of some sort. It's a fair value gap, H1 fair value gap, I think, of some sort. So we might actually see prices heading towards that area. So let's see how it actually goes at the end. But afterwards, after I see a change of character on the smaller time frame, if I see a change of character of some sort, breaking to the downside, and then I'll be able to say, okay, we can now go for the order block and come to the downside. So that's what I'm expecting on GPUSD to happen. But nevertheless, if it doesn't happen, that's still fine. That's still okay. Yes, and we wouldn't have entered. We only enter at the respective zones one after confluence has actually happened in our favor. So we have a lot of liquidity here, and we'll see how it actually goes. A lot of liquidity as well here. This one was grabbed from another unit. Liquidity. So we see liquidity here that isn't grabbed. These are grabbed liquidities area. Liquidity grabbed. And then from there we'll see a potential change of character here. We'll see how it actually goes. It could be a change of character, but we'll see how it actually goes. If it actually breaks down to this area, then we'll see on the 1 minute time frame what actually happens here, whether we're gonna get the same pattern here and then we go down. We'll see. And if we do, we execute with no fear and go and take the markets towards the downside. Yes, also confirming that we have the DXY as well. As you can see, the DXY, I'm expecting that prices actually go up because this is a based rally on the H4 time frame. It's a based rally, saying that it's come back to the rally, to the supply area or rally, and we're heading all the way up. That's what I think. We're still in an uptrend. We've been broken down to the downside to be in a downtrend. So we actually see prices even going below this area up to the area. We'll see how it actually ends up and plays out at the very end of it all. So I'm expecting that prices actually come down, reach there, then go up, and then come back down to this area later on. Hence I have my bias over there. Later on, after creating liquidity to the downside, then prices come down, grab that order block, and we go all the way up for the GU. Also on the EU, I'm expecting the same thing. Oh, sorry. Let me just replace that. Also on EU, I'm expecting to do the same thing. Either we go up to that area or we come up to this area. Let me just show you on the, let's start with the 5 minute time frame. I show you, not really sure of this change of character so that they actually but it should be, it could be, but I want to see aggressive huge candles to the downside. You see huge candles to the downside that show that there's really a break of that area, and from there we can see prices whether they come down or up. So if I see the change of character, then the market comes down, gives me a break of structure. Then once we go there, we know that we're actually selling around this hour, around this time. There's news as upcoming, and we're gonna take our positions. I'll take profit right there in that area. So we'll see how actually it goes, and we'll be ready to execute as seen fit. Okay, yes. Then yeah, I think those are all the pairs that I'm gonna be trading for today. Yes. Oh yeah, there's S&P 500. It hit my stop loss. That's good. We learn from our mistakes and we see where we've gone wrong. There's also US 30 as well that has just hit my stop loss, and well, we'll see how it actually ends up. And we learn from our mistakes. We learn from the previous data, and we learn from everything. We learn from with our emotions and everything. So we keep on moving all about learning and changing your character, changing your mindset altogether in this market, and it's there to actually benefit all of us in a tremendous way. So we keep learning and we still go on. So yeah, that's what there is today on this trading. So let's see how it actually ends up. Let's see how the day goes, and let's see whether my analysis will be correct or it will be wrong. Doesn't matter, we still learn. And remember, we don't predict the markets, but we're actually looking at how price reacts in certain areas, and we move according to how price behaves. We react towards those things. So yeah, thank you and have a lovely